Proposed urgent. Thank you for meeting with me this morning to discuss the new proposed urgent care facility for Banner University Medical Center. Banner University Medical Center is located in downtown Phoenix with a population of more than 1.5 million and a trending increase of 6.2% since 2010. Since 2013, Banner held more than 45% of the market share in the greater Phoenix area. This will prove to be a great asset in this venture. The closest competing hospital is St. Joseph's, that is a mere 2.2 miles away to the northwest, although there are more than 20 hospitals within a 20-mile radius of Central Phoenix. In researching the Arizona Department of Health Services website, these are the major cities that fall within a 20-mile radius and the associated urgent care centers that fall within those zip codes. One consideration to keep in mind is that urgent care centers are not necessarily associated with hospitals, but rather can be freestanding facilities found inside local pharmacies or the grocery store. Examples include the healthcare clinic located inside Walgreens, Express Urgent Care inside CVS, and the Little Clinic inside Fry's Food Source. So in this realm, we can no longer think of traditional competitors and must consider the changing landscape. The state of Arizona does not require a certificate of need for urgent care centers, only for ambulance services, which may be in part why there are so many urgent care facilities. The Affordable Care Act has aimed to increase access, availability, and affordability for patients while focusing on outpatient and preventive services for care. The average cost for an emergency room visit is $1,200 versus $125 at an urgent care facility. Wait times are also a consideration since our patients wait nearly an hour longer in our emergency room than that of our competitor, St. Joseph's. Urgent care facility in the southwest part of Phoenix may reduce wait times at the hospital with a slight decrease in volume and also provide a greater level of access at a more affordable price point for our patients. Patient demographics in these three most adjacent areas of Southwest Phoenix have a total combined population of more than 8,500, with an average age of 26 and average salary of $36,000. These may be patients that have recently enrolled in Medicaid and or CHIP with the expansion of Medicaid eligibility through the Affordable Care Act. The Act allowed states to expand Medicaid eligibility to those that meet the 138% federal poverty line threshold. This would be a consideration in factoring patient volumes and reimbursement rates based on Medicaid reimbursement. Not all patients would fall under this coverage, however. If we consider seeing every one of these patients once this year at the average $125, we would gross more than $1 million, not accounting for operational expenses. Some challenges with this new venture are yet unknown, since this would be our first urgent care facility. Careful consideration must be given to further research patient demographics and payer base in the proposed area, as well as encompassing other zip codes in the surrounding area. Acquisition of a current facility will likely be most cost-effective for the initial investment, as well as long-term monthly operating expenses, and would enable a more expedient startup of services. There is a great opportunity to expand into a market whose usage is supported by the Affordable Care Act. We may stand to potentially decrease the wait times in the emergency room at the hospital and may even see a potential gain in revenue with decreases in unpaid charity care at the hospital. With a focus on more cost-effective and convenient healthcare services, outpatient facilities will likely be increasing in number. Dependent upon its success, our other hospitals in the area may also benefit from having an urgent care in its vicinity. Thank you again for your time.